Okay, I'm going to do a short video here on putting your pages in your Weebly just so you get the structure, so the structure makes sense. This is your build interface, right? You've all done that already. So if you go over here to pages, I've got a couple preset in here. I'm going to change this one to CTE 13. And let's just say, for instance, that you have 2 of my classes. Okay. So this is your main home page, and I want this to be a sub-page of your home. So I'm just going to pull them over, literally just clicking and dragging a little bit over. And I haven't stripped these pages out at all and changed the format. I probably go to a, now I probably changed maybe the theme, or just strip everything. Sometimes I just strip everything out and then rebuild it. It's faster. Okay, so you have each subpage for the course, and then what you want to do is add the artifact. And actually, this might be easier just to rebuild those pages as standard pages. But anyway, okay. So for 413, we're going to do 6 lessons. So I'll do like this. But you don't have to do it that way. 01 lesson plan. I always do that because I know I'm not going to have more than 99. But really, yeah, you can name it whatever you'd like, but that's kind of what I'm thinking. And then I'm going to take this, drag it under 413, and then instead of having it be even, I'm just going to pull it to the side a little bit. And now that makes it a sub page of it. So I'll do another one, standard page. And there it is, and then drag it there. And so you do that till you have 6 of them. And then if you, all you need to do then is snip a picture of this that shows me you have the home page, the course, and then the lessons that you need. And just snip this area, then I know you're good to go. And if you want to take a quick look on home, where did it put the pages? Maybe I'll go to build. Okay, maybe we'll publish this real quick. I'm wondering what the subpages look like on the home page. So how do I get to them? All right, so I guess I'd have to put some links in there. Your lesson, your theme may be different. So in this theme that I picked, these sub drop downs were already pre-programmed in. So whenever I made these sub pages, they just popped up. What happened was I found out students didn't like that very much, and so I made links directly on the first page. So for this course, the very first page of this course has the links to all the sub pages here, because I found that this was easier than that pop out that falls off the end of the page. Okay, enough technical stuff, but just want to give you a heads up as you're working on building out your page. Cool. All right.